name is Nakia, and with divine elements of design in the decorator's voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my YouTube video and blog posts, I also have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. The details of that course will be in the comment or the description box below. So on today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of 2 planners that I received from Amazon to review. They're actually budget planners. Now these planners are not mine at all. This is the first one. It is, I believe, $12.99. So I'm going to open it up and we're going to see everything this planner has in store. And then we have another one, and I believe this one is like $26. So we're going to open up both of these planners, look at them page by page, and then we're going to decide which one I should use first. And then probably a few weeks later, I'll come back and I'll actually show you how I've used them. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's jump into these new budget planners. Okay, so this is the first planner. Now first I'm going to give you a little disclaimer. I recently took my nails off, so now I am all natural. And so this is basically what my nails look like. I'm trying to grow my own nails. So anywho, this is the planner. I believe this is an A4 size. It's smaller than what I'm used to. But this planner is kind of, it's pink. It's not pink, but it is pink. And it does have a nice suede finish. Okay. Oh, that's how it is. I was about to break it already. All right, so it does have the nice silver hardware. Now, when you open it up, okay, so you have the 3 rings, a calculator. That's nice. You have a slot here for, I'm assuming, credit cards. And then you have an area here where you can put your pin loop. Okay, so I'm going to just set this aside for a second. And then we're going to look at the things that came with the planner itself. So typically, I use my Divine Life and Home Planner because I have planner sheets on it. But when I got the opportunity to receive this budget planner, I wanted to go ahead and get it and see if this is something that I can incorporate with my planning. So this comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 money envelopes. So what you can do with these money envelopes is, you know, make your, or actually cash envelopes. You can make your envelopes for cash. So you can put like daycare, gas, food, eating out. So that's really the premises beside this type of envelope system for your planners. Okay. Okay, and it actually comes with the stickers. So we have all of the different or various items: emergency, housing, maintenance, clothing, holiday. Now, for me personally, I don't really carry a lot of cash or keep a lot of cash in my home. So this could be something different. You know, I'm always interested in different ideas or learning different ideas to do things. There's definitely more than one way to skin a cat. So these are for the envelopes. Okay, we'll put that to the side. So, and then you have these right here. Okay, so I don't know what you would put in here. It's not really a credit card size, but I guess you can put credit cards. If this is something that you would do, what would you do with these if you had these? Okay, so here we have some dividers. Okay. Now, these are the budget sheets that we have. So let's see, we have, and this is a hard stock paper. This isn't like regular paper. This is like card stock. So we have budget sheet, and it has the date, description, amount, balance. So this is where you can work on your budget, keep sort of like a checkbook ledger. And it comes in various colors. So this is neat as well. So if you want to keep track of how much money you spend on a particular thing, say, for example, your gas or your eating out or different things like that, you can assign a color to it. So this is interesting. So there's several different colors. You have orange, pink, green, blue, and black. And then you have these, and then this. So like I mentioned before, this whole complete set is like $12. So it's not going to be too fancy. But you would Let's see. Okay, it does have a nice snap. So I'm just gonna put them in here. Well, I'll just do it off camera because I want to get to the other one. But basically, you'll just have your cash in there. Your stickers will be on your envelopes. And you don't have to use all 10 if you don't have 10 sections you want to use. I don't know what you're going to use these for, but, you know, hey, it comes with it. And then you have these again, and then your budget sheet. Okay. I mean, for $12, I guess it's not, you know, not that bad. But the idea is this book is small enough that you can put it in your purse or your bag. So if you want to carry it to the grocery store, carry it with you. But let's go ahead and open up the other one. So this one, like I said, is like 20-something dollars. I want to say 26. Now I will leave all of this in the comment section below so you can see it. Okay, so this, I'm already liking the look of this because you know I love like the pink marble. So let's go ahead and get this plastic off of it. Okay, so you open it up. Oh, there's something here that shows you how to use a planner. So it's a lot of different instructions and things that you can use. I'll set that to the side. These are the colored tabs. And then you have this little today ruler. Okay, let's see what else is in this side. Okay, so you have some stickers. And I have to put my glasses on so I can read. Okay, so you have your month, January through December. You have some other stickers, payday, priority, celebrate bills paid, some other stickers. I'm really liking this one. This one is definitely worth the extra additional money. Okay, so budget planner and bill organizer. If you find this, please be kind and return to, and then your information, and then your reward. I probably wouldn't even take this out of my house. So you have my financial goals, my strategy, my tactics. Okay, so this is neat. So you have your month in receipts and bills. Okay, I like this. You can put your receipts by the month. And one thing I like about this is it's not predated, so you can go ahead and start it and stop at whatever month you want. So let's see, each month section, you have my month goals, goal 1, reward if achieved, goal 2, reward if achieved. And this is just for finances. Okay, so month and year, your monthly goals, your to-do list, and your notes, opening balance. Okay, so I guess this would just be like your regular, your bank statement balance. Your income, your savings. And then once again, you have that Sunday through Saturday. And then your monthly budget, home, personal, food, health care, total budgeted, total accrued, the difference. Okay. And then you have an expense tracker. Wow, it's amazing the difference between $10, this book and the other one. Okay, expense tracker. And then you have your monthly budget review. So the previous month, total expenses, total savings. There's like a little percentage, the ending analysis, my major wins this month, your monthly budget. You know, did I achieve this month's goals? Did I meet my budget? Where did I have where did I have the most trouble? Actions I will take next month to increase my income. Actions I will take next month to cut my expenses. Ideas and notes. Okay. And then you have your month and bills and receipts again. So every month is basically the same. And then let's see if there's anything at the end. Okay, so basically this binder is your budget binder. And it will have your budget, everything that you want to do. And you have all of your stickers, you're tracking everything. Now the other budget or the other binder, this one is for your cash envelopes. So it kind of starts off with a budget sheet. What I would recommend is if you're really into the cash envelope system, then you can use this just for your cash envelope system, and then you can use this one for your monthly budget. I'm not going to say this is overkill using both, because if you are if you're trying to be better with your finances and you're working on a budget, if you're working on trying to get all of your expenses and everything in order, you may want to use both. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do, because I don't really the Divine Life and Home Planner budget sheets are fine for me. I'm going to show you one from my planner, and this is just a little sneak peek, but since we're just talking about the various things, let me set this to the side, and then that one. And this is the new Divine Home and Life Planner. So each month I do have a budget sheet, and this is a budget sheet, and this is good for me, but I was looking for different ways to do different things, so that's why I went ahead and accepted the other one to review. So if you are more of a basic budgeter and you don't need a lot, this may be enough for you. But if not, I really do like, the cash envelope system with this one, and then also this full-blown budget system. I mean, this is a lot. If you can't get your finances in order with this, I don't know what you can do. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some information and some ideas from looking at both of these binders. And in the comment section, let me know what would be your preference. So like, which one would you use? Would you use this one, the budget planner, complete budget planner, or are you more into the cash envelope system and this one would work? Or if you would just want to have one sheet in your own planner just for your budget. So any plan you have can work wonderfully. But I want to thank you very much for tuning into this channel and reviewing these items. Well, actually not reviewing these items, but looking at these items with me for this unboxing so we can see what we prefer. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and then also subscribe. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.